Welcome to Cortburg Speaks Retirement, an audio podcast about investing in the stock market, financial planning, money management, and retirement planning. Each Wednesday, we help investors at all stages of life learn how to potentially grow and preserve their money from first job through retirement. Now here's your host, Miguel Gonzalez.
Good morning and welcome to the Cortburg Speaks Retirement audio podcast. On this week's audio podcast, we toast to a new year of investing. For many investors, this year has been a wild ride with interest rate increases, a crypto implosion, and whipsawing values in the major market indexes. It might be tough to catch one's breath and look ahead to next year, but the end of the year is the perfect time to take stock of your investments, evaluating what worked and what didn't, and what you might do better next year. Here are 4 key opportunities to consider that may recharge and reset your finances as you enter the new year. Number 1, review and refresh your financial plan. If you set goals for the past year, evaluate your progress. Did you spend more than expected, save less than expected, or did you manage your goals easily? Just suggesting a bigger challenge may be appropriate for next year. While setting financial goals for next year, you might also consider the long term. When do you plan to retire? What do you need to see before getting there? Specific number in your 401k, a paid off balance sheet, or something else? Should you stay in your home or downsize? The answers to these questions may help you formulate a more solid plan. Number 2, assess your retirement readiness. Are you on schedule to retire? Are you contributing enough to your 401k or IRA? Though the answers to these questions depend on each person's circumstances, some patterns are emerging in savings habits among those in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond. Check these numbers to see whether you're on track. So if you're age 20 to 29, average 401k balance of $10,500 while contributing 7% of income. Age 30 to 39, the average 401k balance is $38,400 while contributing 8% of your income. Age 40 to 49, average 401k balance is $93,400 while contributing 8% of your income. If you're between the age of 50 and 59, the average 401k balance is $160,000 while contributing while contributing 10% of your income. And if you're in between the ages of 60 and 69, the average 401k balance is $182,100 while contributing 11% of your income. And finally, if you're between the age of 70 to 79, the average 401k balance is $171,400 while contributing 12% of income. These numbers are simply averages. They do not account for income sector or cost of living. They also do not include assets in individual retirement accounts, IRAs, taxable accounts, or other savings accounts. But knowing what those in your general area age bracket save on average might give you a better idea of your progress toward retirement savings. You should notice that as workers grow older, they tend to contribute a greater percentage of their total income to retirement. Step 3, pay down high interest debts. With interest rates continuing to rise, credit cards, home equity lines of credits, and other variable rate loans are likely to grow more expensive. If you have any adjustable rate loans, now is a good time to begin paying them off more aggressively. And number 4, calculate your cash reserves. It is a good idea to have some cash held for emergencies during turbulent times. From an unexpected medical bill to a new appliance, having cash on hand may help you avoid the stress of paying for sudden expenses. Assessing your cash reserves at the beginning of the new year may give you a good baseline for setting cash accumulation goals. Also, make sure to visit our website, www.cortburgretirement.com. Our site is filled with educational videos, ebooks, publications, and financial calculators designed to help you learn more about your finances. As you search our site, send us a note regarding any questions you may have about any particular investment concepts or products, and we will get back to you quickly with a thoughtful answer. This is Miguel Gonzalez, Certified Retirement Counselor and Managing Partner with Cortburg Retirement Advisors, signing off for this week's educational podcast.
The opinions expressed and material provided are for general information and should not be considered a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Securities offered through LPL Financial. Member FINRA SIPC. Investment advice offered through Private Advisor Group LLC, a registered investment advisor. Private Advisor Group LLC and Cortburg Retirement Advisors Inc. are separate entities from LPL Financial. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal.